What if you could find trending content before it peaks, turn that trend into a branded short video, and publish it across Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts, without spending hours editing? That's exactly what TrendCash AI claims to do. And in this review, I'll show you what it actually offers, who it's for, the biggest advantages, and the things you should know before buying. So, let's get straight into it. TrendCash AI is an AI-powered trend-jacking platform from VJ Tech Labs. The basic idea is simple. Instead of manually scrolling through social media looking for the next viral format, TrendCash AI is designed to monitor platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts for rising trends. According to the sales page, it can then rebuild those trends around your product or brand and create short-form content that's ready to publish. The platform is designed around speed, because with trend-based content, timing matters. A trend that works today may be completely irrelevant a few days later. So what do you actually get? First, there's the trend detection system. TrendCash AI claims to monitor social platforms and identify rising trends, songs, formats, and viral content so you don't have to spend hours searching manually. Second is the AI Reel Builder. The sales page says you can take a trending format and rebuild it around your own product or offer in just a few clicks, with branded elements such as your logo, products, and voice. And the platform claims a branded reel can be generated in roughly 1 to 3 minutes. Then there's multi-platform publishing. Instead of creating separate versions for every platform, TrendCash AI says it can automatically format your content for Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. That could be especially useful for creators, affiliate marketers, agencies, and small businesses that want to distribute the same campaign across multiple channels. Another interesting feature is multiple brand management. The vendor says you can manage unlimited brands from one dashboard, which makes the commercial license angle particularly interesting if you're creating campaigns for clients. And finally, you get performance tracking, allowing you to monitor views and engagement and identify which trends are worth using again. Now, here's what I think is the biggest selling point. It's not simply the AI generation. It's the combination of trend discovery plus content creation plus distribution. Normally, you might spend an hour finding a trend, another few hours creating the video, then manually resize and publish it on different platforms. TrendCash AI is trying to compress that entire workflow into one system. And that's where I think this could be valuable for someone who doesn't want to become a professional video editor just to maintain a social media presence. The vendor also advertises a one-time payment, lifetime access, and a commercial license with the current offer, although you should always verify the exact terms on the checkout page before purchasing. But let's be realistic. TrendCash AI can potentially make the content production process faster, but no AI tool can guarantee that every trend will go viral or generate a specific amount of money. The sales page mentions potential earnings and viral reach, but those should be treated as marketing claims, not guaranteed results. Your results will still depend on things like the trend you choose, your niche, the quality of the offer, your audience, and how well the final content fits the platform. So I wouldn't buy this expecting an automatic money machine. I'd look at it as a trend research and short-form content automation tool. So, is TrendCash AI worth checking out? If you're a creator, affiliate marketer, agency owner, or small business that wants to produce more trend-based short-form content without doing everything manually, I think it's definitely worth taking a closer look. The combination of trend discovery, AI content creation, multi-platform formatting, and commercial use is what makes this offer interesting. And right now, the official sales page is advertising a launch offer with a 10% discount using the coupon code TREND10, along with a one-time introductory price. Make sure you check the current price and terms before purchasing, because launch offers can change. I've put the link below this video so you can check out TrendCash AI for yourself. If you found this review useful, Hit like, subscribe for more honest AI tool reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.